Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to send money quickly and easily, but didn't have access to a bank or ATM? Maybe you were at a restaurant with friends and wanted to split the bill, or perhaps you needed to pay a contractor for a job well done. In moments like these, having a reliable and convenient way to send money can be a lifesaver. That's where Zelle comes in. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money directly from your bank account. It's a simple and secure way to transfer funds between friends, family, and even businesses. But how exactly does it work? Let's dive in. How Zelle works. Linking your bank account. The first step to using Zelle is to link your bank account to the service. This can usually be done through your bank's mobile app or website. Once you've linked your account, you'll be able to use Zelle to send and receive money. Sending money. To send money using Zelle, you'll need the recipient's email address, phone number, or Zelle username. Simply enter their information, the amount you want to send, and a short message, optional. Zelle will then send a notification to the recipient, who can accept or decline the payment. Receiving money. When someone sends you money using Zelle, you'll receive a notification. You can then accept or decline the payment. If you accept, the funds will be deposited directly into your linked bank account. Zelle security. Zelle takes security very seriously. The service uses advanced encryption technology to protect your personal and financial information. Additionally, Zelle has fraud prevention measures in place to help safeguard your funds. Benefits of using Zelle. Speed. Zelle payments are typically processed instantly, so you can send and receive money quickly. Convenience. You can use Zelle from your smartphone or computer, making it easy to use on the go. Security. Zelle has robust security measures in place to protect your personal and financial information. Free. There are typically no fees associated with using Zelle. Common questions. Is Zelle safe? Yes, Zelle is a secure payment service that uses advanced encryption technology to protect your information. Can I send money to anyone? You can only send money to people who have a Zelle account. Is there a limit to how much I can send? The daily and monthly limits for Zelle payments may vary depending on your bank. What if I send money to the wrong person? If you send money to the wrong person, you may be able to recover the funds by contacting Zelle customer support. Use cases for Zelle. Splitting bills. Use Zelle to easily split bills with friends and family. Paying for goods and services. Pay for goods and services from individuals or businesses that accept Zelle. Sending money to loved ones. Send money to friends and family who live far away. Repaying loans. Repay loans to friends and family using Zelle. Zelle is a convenient and secure way to send and receive money. Whether you're splitting bills, paying for goods and services, or sending money to loved ones, Zelle can make your life easier. So the next time you need to transfer funds quickly and easily, consider using Zelle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.